Hello YouTube team. My name is Marmel Abante and I am the owner of this channel. I'm submitting this appeal because I believe there has been a misunderstanding regarding the reuse content policy that lead to suspension of my monetization. The content I uploaded, such as Christmas song, graduation background music, and other public or traditional tracks, was not intended for monetization or profit. These videos were shared simply to help others like teachers, students, and event organizers by offering useful background music for school or community events. I understand that YouTube aims to protect originality and discourage duplication. I want to clarify that I did not just re-upload someone else's work for monetary gain. No, in fact, I added value by curating these pieces, organizing them with appropriate visual or themes, and making them accessible to specific audiences. Additionally, I have not deleted any videos since the suspension, as I believe they follow YouTube community guidelines. I kindly ask you to reconsider this decision as my channel's goal is to provide helpful, accessible resources, not to earn income from reuse content. Thank you very much for your time and reviewing my appeal. God bless everyone and stay safe.